Why fitness games are great for families.
Fitness games bring families together by making exercise fun and social. Unlike routine workouts, these activities inspire everyone to move, laugh, and create memories. They help children and adults develop healthy habits while strengthening emotional bonds. By turning exercise into play, families can support each other's health goals and spend rewarding time together.
Active charades, move and guess.
Active charades adds a physical twist to a classic guessing game. Players act out sports, animals, or activities using big movements, while others try to guess. This game raises heart rates, sparks laughter, and includes everyone, regardless of age or skill. It promotes communication and teamwork, making it ideal for family fitness and fun.
Obstacle course, adventures at home.
Create excitement with a homemade obstacle course using everyday items. Pillows, chairs, and jump ropes can be transformed into hurdles, tunnels, and balance beams. Families can race against the clock or work together to complete the course. This activity develops coordination, balance, and problem solving, all while encouraging creativity.
Dance parties for all ages.
Dancing is an uplifting way for families to boost their mood and fitness. Create playlists with everyone's favorite songs and take turns leading dance routines. Whether it's follow the leader or freestyle, dancing burns energy and relieves stress. It encourages self-expression and brings out smiles, regardless of age or skill level.
Fitness scavenger hunt, indoors or out.
A fitness scavenger hunt turns exercise into an energetic treasure hunt. Hide clues or objects around your home or yard. Each discovery leads to a simple exercise, like jumping jacks or squats, before finding the next clue. This game keeps everyone moving and engaged, blending physical activity with playful exploration.
Making fitness games a family tradition.
Regularly playing fitness games makes healthy habits part of family life. Scheduling weekly game sessions ensures everyone stays active and connected. These moments can replace screen time, relieve stress, and boost everyone's well-being. The most important part is to have fun together, because when fitness feels like play, it's easy to keep coming back.